packed my bags with me for my field trip. So I need a drawstring bag, and this is the drawstring bag I'm going to be using. So first, I already packed my lunch. So I got a small bag of Sun Chips, a clementine, an applesauce, some little like snacks and treats in here, and a cheese stick. So let's put that. There we go. That filled up a lot of space. So now I gotta get my outfit out. What I'm gonna be wearing today. I need a short sleeve shirt. I think I'm gonna go. I don't know which one I'm gonna go for because it's gonna. Alexa, what's the temperature gonna be today?
Now with a high of 70 and a low of 50. Feels like 64, so it's a bit warmer than the actual reading.
I'm gonna wear this shirt. Let's get the shorts. And I'm gonna be wearing these shorts. So cute. So this is the outfit. And now I have to pick out an extra change of clothes for when I go kayaking. We're gonna go with this t-shirt, even though it's a bit cropped, it'll work for an extra change. And for shorts, we're gonna go with these. Athleta. Okay, so I'm actually not gonna put those in my bag yet, the extra change of clothes, because I'm gonna put it in a plastic bag in case it rains. Alexa, is it supposed to rain today?
Yes, there's a 60% chance of rain this afternoon and an 86% chance tonight. You'll definitely want to keep an umbrella handy.
Quick break. Run, Mocha, run. Run, Mocha, run. Run, Mocha, run. Now I have to get some pants for the, ice skating. I'm going to go with these pants. And I think I already have a sweatshirt. Now I need an extra change of socks and socks. Pair I'm wearing now, extra change. Now I just need a water bottle, which is ready downstairs, and I'm done.